Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Looking for a detailed guide on screen recording on your Mac? I've got you covered. First, let's start with QuickTime Player. It's pre-installed on every Mac and super easy to use. In the menu, select File, New Screen Recording or use the shortcut Command plus Control plus N. Now select the recording area. You can click to record the entire screen, or click and select a specific area to capture. To add a webcam overlay, go back to File, New Movie Recording. This will open your webcam in a separate window. You can resize and position it anywhere. Just make sure it's within your selected recording area. Ready? Hit the record button to start. To stop, click the stop button or use Command plus Control plus ESC. Your screen recording with the webcam overlay will be saved as a MOV file by default. Not a fan of the MOV format or want to edit your recording? Let's look at another option. Hit Edimakor. This tool combines screen recording and video editing all in one. Open Edimakor, click on Create a Video, then go to Record. From there, select the Screen plus Camera option. Next, select the screen you want to capture, resize and position the webcam window within this area. Audio, speaker, and webcam options are enabled by default, so you're all set to capture both video and sound. Now click the red record button to begin. While recording, you can use the draw feature to add highlights and make notes. When you're finished, click the red stop button. Your recording is saved to your computer and opens right in the editing interface. Here you can trim clips, cut out unwanted parts, add subtitles, and make other adjustments. Once you're done editing, export the final video in your preferred format such as MP4. That's how you can screen record on a Mac. Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.